Good evening, friends! Happy Monday to all of you. So in this video, I will be bringing you up to date on the breaking news in Congress. Democrats are urging President Biden to raise a debt ceiling this month. Biden also announced that student loan payments will resume in 2 months. Please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
As we begin the first full week in December, there is much that the Senate must attend to before we reach the end of the year. First, Senate Democrats remain committed in taking up and passing President Biden's Build Back Better Act before Christmas. As I outlined in a letter to my caucus this morning, Senate Democrats have been working furiously to clear the necessary steps to achieve this goal. As we all know, the reconciliation process is not an easy one. The reason why this timeline is so important is because this legislation is about lowering costs for American families. As we enter the winter months, American families deserve a little extra help affording things like childcare and pre-K. They need help lowering costs of things like prescription drugs and making health care more affordable. And families need to know that critical programs like the Child Tax Credit will continue uninterrupted. This program has already done immense good for millions upon millions of families. Build Back Better will make sure these benefits stay in place. For these reasons, we're going to continue the process until Build Back Better is signed into law. This is arduous work. It takes time, precision, and a lot of pieces moving together. It has taken months of communication, negotiation, countless late nights and weekend workdays to bring us to this point. I want to thank my colleagues, their staff, and the parliamentarian for dedicating the full...
President Biden will travel to Kansas City this Wednesday to discuss his new bipartisan infrastructure package, the latest stop in the White House's campaign to promote his signature legislative accomplishment. The White House said that the president will discuss how the bipartisan infrastructure law delivers for the American people by rebuilding roads and bridges, upgrading public transit, replacing water infrastructure, and creating good-paying union jobs. While Biden has visited other states including New Hampshire, Minnesota, and Michigan, in an effort to tout the $550 billion infrastructure measure, Missouri will be the first such visit to a state that voted for former president in the 2020 election. As support for Biden has decreased in recent weeks, Democrats have argued that it is very important for the president to promote the infrastructure package and its near-term projects. Now comes the hard part, which is implementing what the administration lauds as a once-in-a-generation investment in rebuilding the nation's crumbling infrastructure. Many states could receive anywhere from $2 billion to $45 billion in non-grant funding for projects spanning needs such as broadband, bridge replacements, and repairs. The 3 states receiving the most funding might not be surprising to you. California, New York, and Texas are at the top of the list in terms of total dollars. Each state will be receiving more than $25 billion. But the U.S. News data analyst shows that the infrastructure dollars might have the biggest impact, at least proportionately, in states such as Alaska, Montana, Vermont, and Wyoming. Now, although the crisis may not be over, but in 2 months, the pause on student loan payments will come to an end. There will be about 580,000 borrowers who will be free of that burden forever, thanks to President Biden's targeted loan forgiveness. Federal Student Aid Director Richard Cordray said during remarks this week that while the nearly 2-year pause has been a welcome relief, January 31, 2022 is the last day that borrowers will be experiencing that form of relief. Transitioning 43 million borrowers back into repayment, along with the 16 million borrowers who will make payments to new lenders, is an unprecedented task with many potential hurdles. An Education Department spokesperson previously told Insider that the department will continue to work to ensure that all of our borrowers can experience a successful return to repayment. Student loan payments have been on pause and not collected interest since March of 2020. Since President Biden took office in January of this year, he has extended the student loan moratorium twice. But his education department made it clear in August that there will be no more extensions past February 2022, meaning borrowers will have to face their student debt loads next year, whether they are ready or not. President Biden's administration remains firm that 43 million Americans will experience a smooth transition back into paying off their student loan debt. But thousands of borrowers, experts, and lawmakers are not so sure. Not only has President Biden extended the student loan payment pause since he took office, he has also canceled student loan debt for about 600,000 borrowers. While those cancellation measures fulfill his campaign promise of reforming broken loan forgiveness programs, which are measures provided within the law, President Biden also campaigned on approving $10,000 in student loan cancellation for every borrower, something he has yet to do. So friends, do you think that Biden should cancel student loan debt for every American? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the key word for this video is computer. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below the keyword, and also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. President Biden has recently signed into law a bill that will fund the government until February 18, 2022. Both chambers of Congress passed a legislation to avoid a short-term shutdown of the government. It keeps the federal government running for another 11 weeks. Republicans have argued that Democrats need to raise the debt ceiling alone as they try to pass their sprawling social spending bill without any Republican votes. Janet Yellen has pointed out that Congress would have to increase the limit regardless of what legislation Democrats pass this year. Raising or suspending the debt ceiling does not authorize new spending. So friends, do you think that the debt ceiling should be raised? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here this Monday evening. I truly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. Please do enter my giveaway, which is scheduled for this coming Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is click and like my videos. Make sure that you comment below the keyword from each video, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed week.